Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. Let us continue with accessing characters in a string. Here is an example for a string, set of characters enclosed within single quotes. This is a string. Let us assign this to a variable. So x equal to school. We are going to discuss about accessing and manipulating the strings. Once we define a string, Python allocates index value to each and every character in a string. The index value can be either positive or negative. Positive index starts from 0 and it is assigned to the first character in the string. So positive index starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this example, these are the index values assigned to the characters in the string. We have 6 characters in this string. N is the length of the string, which is nothing but 6 here. N minus 1, 5 will be assigned to the last character in the string because the index starts from 0. In the case of negative index, it starts from minus 1 and it is assigned to the last character in the string. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6. Positive index starts from 0 from the first character. Negative index starts from minus 1 from the last character in the string. So the characters in a string can be accessed using the index value. If we write x of 0, which is nothing but yes. If we write x of minus 1, which is nothing but L. So the characters in a string can be accessed using the index value. The index value is otherwise called a subscript value. Let us discuss with a few examples. X equal to school. So a string is assigned to the variable now. Let us use print function. To see the value of x of 0. It is yes. So the positive index starts from 0. It is assigned to the first character in the string. So for accessing the first character, we have to use the index value. In the case of positive index, 0 will be used. In the case of negative index, it will start from the last character. Minus 1 will be assigned to the last character. X of minus 1 is nothing but L in this example. So the negative index starts from minus 1. It is assigned to the last character in the string. Let me give some other example. In this program, you can see using the input function, we are going to get a string from the user that will be assigned in the variable x. Using length function, you are going to find the length of the string, that is the number of the characters in the string. We have index variable, we have assigned to 0. We are starting from 0 And using while loop, we are going to print the index value and the corresponding character from the string. Let me execute this program, enter a string. You can see the output here. If the index value is 0, the first character is displayed. The index value is 5. It is the last character in the string. Let us see another example for printing negative index. In this, our index starts from -1. We have the condition like index greater than or equal to minus length of the x. We are going to use this while loop to print the index value and the character from the string. You can see here the index is -1. The last character is displayed. So from the string, last character is displayed and its index value is -1. In the reverse order, the numbers are assigned. So for the first character, the index is -6 in this case. So this is how we can access characters in a string. We'll meet in the next class, children.